All right, WMC, this is the video to find the winner of the winner's choice with the Giannis jersey, the Chorizo stitch and pitch, and then the two Jordy Nelson helmets. So we'll check the time, June 28th at 11:24 a.m. We're going to go over to the Raz and type live. We have June 28th at 11:24 a.m. There is the list of our 18 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 11. All right, 11 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Maxwell. Spot 18 is your winner. So Maxwell, please message me to make your selection. There is our verification code, our timestamp once again, June 28th, 11:25 a.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.